morning, everyone. Okay, so nobody showed up to the meeting, so I'm recording. Okay, so today we're learning about the water cycle. So before we begin with the water cycle, for you to understand the terminology, the words that I'm going to use, you're going to have to know the basics of water. Okay, so you think you know water, no you don't. Okay, so there are three states of water. So we have solid, which is definitely solid, which is ice, or no, there isn't another example. It's ice. Okay, or you have liquid, which is movable, it's drippable, it's liquid. Okay, then you also have gas. So I'm going to show you how we make gas. Okay, so we have our solid, we have liquid, and then gas is with heat. So the particles of the water, under heat it becomes looser. So in ice, in a solid thing, the particles are close together. They're really close. So these are the particles of water. So if it's ice, it's really close together. If it's liquid, it's not really, but it's movable. Okay, and then if it's gas, it's like far away, and they travel and they have freedom. Okay, so the gas, hopefully, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Let's open it up. Okay, so what we can see is condensation. So, okay, it definitely is steaming. What we can see is the condensation. What's that? Which is the gas turning back into a liquid. Hopefully, can you see? You can't see the gas. Okay, it's not gonna stop if I don't do that. Okay, so this gas is hot. Can't see it. Okay, gas is hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna try. Let's see. So let's show you. Oh, that is hot. So that's gas. Okay, and it's gonna condensate and then accumulate. So condensate means to go from a gas back to a liquid. Okay, oopsie daisy. And then accumulate just means all the water is in one spot. Okay, so if I got enough, then these are going to turn into water droplets, and then you'll see a little bit of water at the bottom. Okay, so evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, and accumulation are the words that we're going to use today. Okay, so now, okay, the water cycle. Alright, the writing. Okay, so the water cycle, it basically starts with evaporation. Okay, so the sun is shining on the water, and then the heat from the water causes evaporation. So that bit is evaporation. Okay, so evaporation means water, a liquid, changes to a gas. Okay, then there's also transpiration, where a plant, the water on a plant also evaporates. Okay, so for example, if it's been raining or if you watered the garden, that water also evaporates during warm times. Okay, then condensation, so gas goes changes into water, so it makes a cloud. We don't see water going up into heaven, we just see the clouds are formed. Okay, that's condensation, where it changed back to a liquid. And then when the cloud gets really heavy, it's precipitation. So precipitation is rain or snow or sleet or hail, anything like that. Okay, so it comes back down again, the cloud is lighter. Okay, then accumulation is where it's collected. So all of the water that fell down again is a dam or a river or an ocean. Okay, so that is the water cycle. Now, we have a thingy which didn't really work because it is cloudy today and really cold today. So it didn't work, but nonetheless. Okay, so I had dry soil in the bag and I added a teaspoon of water. It's really only a little bit of water. But if you look closely now, you'll see that it has spread and it has made water droplets. So because it's not warm enough, it hasn't gone all the way up to our cloud. So we don't have the sun today, not as much, and that's why it's not working with the whole bag. But hopefully I can send you a picture tomorrow or so. Okay, so we have condensation that happened because there are water droplets. Okay, and this fogginess where you can't see water droplets until I do that, that is evaporation. So these little bits, you can't really see it, is evaporation. The water droplets is condensation. And once it was at the top and collected a lot and starts falling down, then it will be precipitation. Okay, and this is then accumulation where the soil will be wet and the plant will grow. Okay, so that is the water cycle.